Hey there and welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. We got a Griot's Garage unboxing. We got a new Griot's Garage package here. This is items that I ordered, and this isn't anything special, so don't get all excited, but I kind of like doing these unboxing videos. One thing I know is not in here is the paint cleaning clay, because they were out of stock, but they did send me an email today saying it is on the way. And they packaged very, very well at Griot's Garage. First thing I got was the 4-finger mesh mittens. I needed some more of those. Mine are actually starting to wear down. I've had them for so long. I got 2-inch Boss fast correcting cream pads, a set of 4. I am not sure what this is. There's nothing on the box. Oh, this is a trash bag for our vehicle for when we go on vacation. It's leak proof. It's not as big as I thought, but it's leak proof, and it goes on the back of your headrest or the back of your seat. It's kind of small, but it's $12, I think is what it costs. And then I got a 4-pack of 2-inch correcting cream foam pads for my 3-inch polisher with the 2-inch conversion. Got a gallon of wheel cleaner because I am out completely. I'm not sure what this is, feels heavy. Oh, some more Best of Show spray wax. Best of Show liquid wax. Now I have the Best of Show paste wax and I really like it. I wanted to try the liquid wax. I think I'm gonna do a comparison video and put half of the paste wax on one side of my hood, half of the liquid wax on the other side, and let's see if there's any difference at all between the two products. That's why I got that. Another bottle. This should be fabric protectant because, yep, fabric protectant. I've not done a video on this. I can if any of you want to see a video on it. It's actually pretty easy to use. It's great on our cloth seats and the carpet in our journey so we don't get any stains. And that is it. This is the new catalog that I don't have yet, so I'll be getting it in the mail probably. And this right here shows that I paid for this with my own money. Can you see that good?
No, it's blurry. Oh, there it goes.
Well, $167. Because I know people think that I get stuff for free from Griot's, and I do not. And I'll be getting my paint cleaning clay in as well. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I know it's not anything major or anything like that, but kind of you'll get a glimpse of some upcoming videos that I'm going to have coming up, along with all that Adam stuff that I did. So that's it for the Griot's Garage unboxing. We'll see you next time.